Olha, rapaz, não sei se vamos ter um curto vídeo de Hogwarts. Bom, ali jogo em casa cranqueado para Empress, tem aqui o Empress, e nós vamos fazer um vídeo só para mostrar uns X minutos de jogo antes de chegar a Hogwarts mesmo. Espero que você gosta.
Ah, it appears we are almost ready to depart. It's a pity we didn't have a bit more time to spend on spellcasting. I presume you've been practicing the spells we worked on.
I have, Professor.
Well, I'm quite sure I've never seen anyone take so quickly to a second-hand wand. You'll be a force to be reckoned with when you get your own.
Thank you, Professor Fig. I appreciate you working with me all the time.
Caralho, de Flash! Você vai desligar tudo o que acontece no jogo nesse momento, para uma ser uma história comprida. Então esta concha as 12, está para a presinha, tem introduzido para o rapazinho. Depois esta entra naquela carruagem, né? Que cavalo que esta posse, com ali craque da erro e tal. Pronto, esta entra naquela carruagem, esta boa, depois um gasto pessoal basicamente a própria e esta ok, depois que eles entram na carruagem, eles têm a conversa. E o professor Fig, que é mais beijo, e tem explica aquele outro professor lá, George, mora que a minha personagem, né, é um aluno novo que para a escola, esse é um gosto mais beijo, que normalmente aluno está a Hogwarts para a primeira vez. Então, essa explica mais tive de ajuda antes, fora de currículo, que até jogar essa magia e tal. Depois da parte que conversa ali e mostra fala sobre ser mulher de professor Fig, que é mais beijo. Até foi mulher, mas é mulher sabe sobre uma mulher que é uma ameaça para a escola, que é aquele mostra isso aí, e representou aí fora, e inclusive estou um dragão tão boa, vocês baixo, mas que está a terminar, foi essa naquele lugar, fantasia ali, então, aquilo é normal, né? E até foi antes a mulher morre, muito uma coisa que faz, e foi mandar aquela coisa que se mostra lá. E ela quer mostrar que a coisa lá, ninguém que mais nada, a não ser minha personagem, que é aquela coisa lá com um brilho nela, que ninguém mais que sorte. Então, está já estranho, porque você pode ser aquele brilho, então está aquela coisa na mão para hoje, qual é a coisa que pode ser o brilho nela, né? Então, ele está pegando na mão e a coisa da chica está abre. Então, deixamos para a próxima cena de aquela parte. Se você reparar, o dragão tinha aquele brilho vermelho no pescoço, né? Mas aqui ele tem, mostra essa importância mais à frente.
Are you alright? You're hurt.
Perhaps a bit.
Take this. It's Wiggenweld potion. That stuff will right you in a second.
What happened?
Poor George. I can't believe he... What the hell got into that damn thing? Attacking a carriage mid-air? A typical dragon would never...
Professor? Sir, where are we?
I'm not sure. But that key you discovered was clearly a port key.
Port key?
An item enchanted to bring whoever touches it to a specific place.
I'm feeling better, sir, if you'd like to look around a bit.
I would. But stay close. We've no idea who created this port key. Or why.
How far did that port key take us?
Farther from London than the carriage traveled. we're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands.
Sir, those ruins. Do you
The
think...
portkey was meant to lead us there? I do. This has not been the day either of us expected. But Miriam sent that portkey to George for a reason. And I believe that she, and now George, died in pursuit of whatever it was meant to lead to. If you're sure you're all right, and wouldn't mind indulging me, I'd like to have a look around.
Absolutely, sir.
Good. Let's see if we can find a path, however faded it may be. Mind your step.
Where do you suppose your wife got the portkey that brought us here?
A good question. Miriam spent years searching for evidence of a long-forgotten form of ancient magic.
Ancient magic?
Yes, a powerful magic wielded by a rare few that seems to have been lost to time. Hogwarts Castle was built by, and is itself a stronghold of that ancient magic. I don't know where she came into possession of the portkey, but I am certain it was to do with that search. Ah, there's the path down below. This way.
But sir, why was your wife searching for evidence of lost magic?
Miriam wanted to understand why such powerful magic disappeared from the wizarding world. Spoke of the good it could do. But magic is no different than any power. What really matters is the one who wields it.
Is that ice?
It's not cold enough here. It appears to be a sort of enchantment. Someone wanted to block this path. Let's see some of that wand work you were practicing. Focus on the center. Excellent! That was a bit rougher than I'd expected. Your wand work's improving with every cast.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, up there. We're close now. It's just ahead. Steady yourself! Reparo!
Caralho, falta coisa louca. Eles queriam na Cabo Verde trazer aquele episódio de Canal. Passagem.
Almost there!
Why would someone have built this here?
I suspect they valued their privacy. That portkey led us here for a reason. Let's have a look around for anything that seems out of place.
Out of place, okay. The status are out of place. Maybe actually is running with your I would rather
Professor, it's a mural of some kind.
Perhaps our host was a noted seer. Interesting.
Professor.
Professor, this statue...
This may have been his home.
Oh.
That enchanted crystallized stone again. But what could it be blocking? What's this? Professor Fig!
How odd. Why would someone have conjured that enchanted stone here?
And how is there a room behind it?
What room? I don't see anything.
There's that glow again, like the glow on the portkey container.
Nossa, que gênio, né? Porra.
What in Merlin's name? Godric's heart.
Where are we?
I don't believe it.
Fuck this. Goblin. Okay, do it. What up, Goblin?
Hello?
Che sono patate questa qui.
It can't be. Just a moment. Ooh. Welcome to Gringotts Wizarding Bank. Vault number 12, I presume. Precisely. The key? Hmm?
Your wife's portkey.
Oh, yes, of course. This way, then. Stay close. After you. Keep your hands inside the cart if you don't wish to lose them.
How many vaults are there in Gringotts?
Hundreds. In fact, you'll see quite a few on our way to vault number 12. As we speak, we're just beneath the main lobby. The vaults you see now are the newest.
Are private entrances to the bank common at Gringotts?
They are most uncommon. Only one with great wealth or power, or both, could have arranged for such a service.
You'll want to take a breath. A what? That waterfall washes away all enchantments. It's a security measure.
Experienced the thief's downfall before, have you?
Heard of it?
These are the lower vaults that we're passing now.
How deep are we going?
Vault number 12 was commissioned shortly after Gringotts was founded over 4 centuries ago. It resides in the deepest part of the bank. Settle in. We've quite a distance to go.
Vault number?
Vault 12. Momentous day.
Essa coisa que tem na braça tem mesmo brilho que a coisa que o dragão tinha no pescoço. Será que se observa?
Professor, the armband that guard was wearing was glowing.
Like the glow you saw on the porky container?
No, darker. I saw that same glow on the dragon's collar.
Yeah, what was that? We were just wondering about that goblin back there. He watches over the oldest section of the bank. Rare anyone goes there anymore.
Então Goblins você vai
Here
no
we
problema,
are.
né? Que é óbvio. Uau.
When was the last time this vault was accessed?
A goblin has been stationed at my desk for hundreds of years. In that time, no one has visited Vault 12. Until today. Vault 12.
Thank you for your help.
What do you suppose we should be looking for?
I'm not sure. Sir, I wonder if you
The
might...
instructions for Vault 12 indicate that I am to grant access to the holder of the key and then close the door.
Wait!
Best of luck.
Professor?
That was certainly unexpected.
Yeah.
Let me think. There must be something here.
Eu sei que eu coloquei para beleza.
Revelio, perhaps?
Revelio?
Yes, a revealing charm. No time like the present. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
Revelio. There! I saw something.
Move a bit closer and try again.
Imagens antes da Revelio, né?
A door.
Well, that's a start. There's that symbol again. I don't suppose you see a way to...
I do, Professor. That symbol has the same glow as the one I saw on the port key container.
If what you can see reveals the way forward, then I dare say we are about to discover the secret of this vault. Lead the way. Lumos!
Lumos.
This is no ordinary vault. I suspect we will need to earn our way out of here.
What do you mean, earn our way out? Do you think this is some sort of test?
I do. But to what end, I can't say. Stay close. There will be no disapparating if things go poorly. Not out of Gringotts.
I see something up ahead.
What is it?
That glow again, but on the floor.
Lumos! What happened?
When I moved towards the glow, it suddenly seemed as if the ground was swirling about.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
You seem to have caused the floor to change.
That statue.
What statue?
I see some sort of statue, but only as a reflection in the floor. Revelio.
I presume this is what you saw reflected in the floor.
It is. The reflection's still there, but the statue's positions don't match. Wait. When you moved, the reflection turned in the direction of the light.
Perhaps you should cast Lumos.
Anda, prende tudo porcaria no bar. Ok.
Lumos.
Well done.
Now the reflection is turning towards me. It does follow the light.
Nah, no, bro. Segue ergens, weet ik.
Look out!
Protego!
Accio! Descendo! Levioso! Deposo!
Ai, ai, ai. Eu falei duas vezes depois que eu tava bom.
Exposo! Levioso! Confringo! Descendo! Rotate Levioso! Confringo! Deposo! Exposo! Protego! Descendo! Protego! Levioso! Confringo! Protego! Deposo! Exposo! Confringo! Stay close!
Quietas. Did I Protego?
Professor! Professor Fig!
Protego.
Professor, where are you?
Mas bem.
This isn't good. Lumos. Where am I supposed to go? What's happening? The wisps of magic seem to be leading me somewhere. Ah, that's where they're leading me. That glow again. Revelio. I suppose I'm on my own this time. Protego! Lumos. It seems I have no choice. I'm going to have to fight my way out of here. Protego! Lumos.
Caralho. Vai. Tudo vai. Yeah, the end of the week.
There you are. How did you... What is this place?
I don't know. But I found this floating above that basin.
That is no mere basin. That is a pensive for viewing memories. I wonder... Follow my lead.
Vou ralar até a memória, caralho. É, professor.
All is in place.
The portkey is well hidden.
Perhaps too well. I wonder if the path we've created...
May be impossible to follow. It will only be impossible for one who cannot see traces of ancient magic as I can.
Your ability to see what others cannot will not be enough, Percival. We are entrusting the one who embarks on this path with powerful secrets, with knowledge others will do anything to obtain.
Yes, and if we are correct, Charles, the witch or wizard who completes the trials will have proven themselves worthy of that knowledge, and the responsibility that accompanies it.
We've done all that we can.
Então, yeah, aqui eles outra pode pagar uma grande plot de jogo e uma rapazinho ali disse nuts, tá conseguir hoje e magia antiga, tá conseguir hoje tudo traços de magia antigo. Então aquele cole, aquele e cofre ele foi feito para ele exatamente anos atrás. Esse foi exatamente o link da cerimônia para descobrir aquele cole e nunca sabe qual é que é o objetivo de Guilherme, provavelmente trazer magia antiga para frente de novo, nunca sabe. Aquela coisa que tem de descobrir lá para frente, mas aquele cofre foi exatamente feito para ele e aquele é que é plot para o momento.
Someone's coming.
Who were they?
I don't know. But, sir, you shouldn't be in here.
I was right.
Ranrock.
Seems my reputation precedes me. I was beginning to think no one was ever going to visit Rackham's vault.
And why are you here?
No need for that. Just give me whatever it is you found here and we can let bygones be bygones.
Sir, they have the key to the vault.
Choose your next words wisely.
I only meant that the instructions to Vault 12 were quite clear. Sir, I must insist. I was to grant access only to one with the key, and you didn't have them.
It's not a goblin. No! No!
I have no patience for traitors.
Puta, pague pra matar goblin.
Where were we?
I'm not giving you anything.
Well, perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Isso faz que viagem para Portugal é magnífico naquele jogo.
Are you all right?
Fine, sir.
I've never seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic.
Where are we?
It can't be. It seems those who set up the pensive, the locket, and the path to both wanted someone with your ability to end up here. Come. We have a sorting ceremony to get to.
Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 Hogwarts Legacy. E vídeo aqui liguem-se, tem mais vídeo de Hogwarts mais à frente no canal. E quem esquece daquele like e subscreve no canal, daquele apoio. Tá check.